Welcome to OSSD Grade 10 NPM 2D, Chapter 2, Analytic Geometry, Linear Segments and Circles, Section 2.2, Length of a line segment. In this section, we're gonna talk about the length of the line segment. In the last section, we already talked about the middle point. So we also to divide in three types. The first type is the horizontal. That means there is an line horizontal to the x-axis. We need to find the length of the whole AB. Here we need to put an absolute value here, because the length cannot be zero if the A or B a negative point, so that will be must be cannot be negative. So we must add the absolute value here. Alright. So here the x is the x1 and the b point is x2 y2. How about AB? So the AB is equal to x2 minus xy. Just like the big number 2 minus small number. So we can know the length. Okay, we just to give an example here. For A is 2,5, for B is 2,5, so what's the length of AB? So we can solve here. The length of AB equal to just for the x2 negative xy, so that will be 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So the length of AB equal to 6. Okay, that's the easy one. Now let's the vertical line. So the vertical line consists of the x are same, the y are different. So we just to put the xm just to calculate the big y2 minus small y2. So here it is for y2 minus y1. Okay, so that's for the vertical line segment of AB. Okay, the example here. Solve the AB equal to just for the y2 minus y1. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. So that will be the length of AB equal to 8. Okay. Now let's talk about the singular segment. Okay. First, we need to make the end for the PR triangle. Point for C. So the C point is the x2 y1. Yes. Because they're the same as A, the same as B as F. But now they're in the triangle. So how to find the line segment of the B? So here we need to use like the famous theorem. So the Pythagoras theorem. So what's that for? So and therefore PYTHAGREA. So what's that? So for a right triangle, this is A, this is B, this is D. So that will be AB squared plus BC squared equal to AC squared. So for the AC length equal to square root of AB squared plus BC squared. Okay. So now we can use this element to here. So how to do that? Okay. We need to find the AC length. So it will be equal x2 minus 1 1. For the BC equal to 1 1 equal to 1 1. Okay. So now we can solve the AB equal to square root of the x2 minus x1 square root plus y2 minus y1 square root. So that's define or also of the general way. Let's see the y problem. For the A point is the y, for the P point is the element. So we just to write the formula here first. AB equals square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square root. Okay. Okay, so now, so the answer will be 7 minus y plus 9 minus b. That will be 6 plus 6. That will be 6 square plus 6 square equal to 72 square. So that will be equal to 6 times 6 square root.